way. You can listen to it.
I'm putting it away, Miss Red. Wow.
All right. Ready?
Ready.
Action.
Okay.
All right. So today we are going to study curve fitting, it's called. It's an application problem where we will solve a system of equations, and it'll be 3 equations with 3 variables. Okay? You ready to get started?
Sure.
This is our last, I know, this is our last video before I come back.
Woo!
From, where did I go?
My house.
Germany.
Spain.
Yeah.
Uranus.
Oh, I know, Utah.
Belize.
Belize.
Do you know where Belize is?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
Why are you going there?
All right, we
Yeah,
are
why
in
you go
chapter
there?
10. Chapter 10, section 2. And this is day 2. We're talking about curve fitting. It's called curve fitting. All right, and today is April 10th.
Oh my
This
goodness.
is Wednesday. All right, so when I say curve fitting, I'm literally talking about a quadratic equation. So my curve is a parabola. So our goal is to find the A coefficient, B coefficient, and C for our quadratic equation. Right? So the quadratic equation will be in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And you guys have seen this before. This is not new, is it?
No.
All right. We are going to write the equation. Given 3 points. I'm going to pick 3 random points on a quadratic equation, and you're going to write the equation. So here are the points. Let's go with a -1, 4, 1, 6, and 3, 0. Okay, so these are the points that we're going to use. I'm going to write 3 equations. And the first one will contain the first point. So I want you to remember that the -1 is our x piece, 4 is our y component. Typically, we substitute in for a, b, and c. We're going to go backwards. We're substituting for x and y this time. All right, so into this equation, in place of y, I'm putting 4. In place of x goes -1 plus b. In place of x, I put -1, and then I have my plus c. All right, that's my equation 1. Equation 2 is going to contain the point 1, 6. So we're going to do the same thing. Substitute in place of x and y. So we'll have 6a Any questions so far? Good. All right. And then the last equation will contain the point 3, 0. let's clean those three equations up a little bit. And I'm going to write them in order, starting with A. So equation number 1. I'm going to start here first. If I square the negative, what happens, Mauricio? It does. Very good. So I'm going to have A positive A. Mar B times the negative 1, however, is what?
Negative B.
Negative B. Plus our C, all equals 4. Okay, so there's our equation 1. Now we'll look at equation 2. Starting with A again. Same scenario, only it's a positive 1 squared. Still is 1. 1 times B is still a positive B, plus C, all equals 6. Okay, so far so good. Last equation. Liz, what happens when you square the 3?
Turns into a 9.
9. So it'll be 9A plus, Colton, what comes next?
3B.
Very good. Equals 0. Okay, so we have our 3 equations with 3 variables, A, B, and C. Our goal is to solve for A, B, and C, remember? I want to show you how to do this with a calculator, all right, with matrices. So we're going to use matrices. Question mark?
No.
Awesome. Use matrices to solve. So everybody turn your calculators on.
Does it say matrices?
It
Yes.
does, matrices.
Okay.
So turn calculators on. And let's clear them. 2nd plus 7, 1, 2. So show me RAM cleared. Excellent. Beautiful. Thank you, Tristan. All right. 2nd, X1 will get us to the matrix menu. I'm going to write that down. 2nd, X to the negative 1 to get to our matrix menu. Arrow over to edit. Highlight edit. And then hit enter because we're going to edit matrix A.
I'm still trying to write down what you have in your calculator. That say edit?
It does. Edit matrix A. Alright? Now, when you bring up, it'll ask you matrix A. And then it wants the dimensions of your matrix. Alright? We want to type in the dimensions of our matrix. Well, we're going to use the coefficients and the constant term to build our matrix. All right?
Where's
So
negative x on the calculator, or x negative 1?
right below the math key.
Oh. Oops. I knew that. Okay.
Good job. Okay, so we're going to build matrix A. Right. So let's write it out on our paper before we type it into our calculator. Right, so go up here to the coefficient of A. Jennifer, what's the coefficient?
1.
Keep going.
1. Or negative 1.
Good. We're going to take the negative sign with us. And then
1.
And then the last constant term?
4.
Very good, very good. Okay, and then row 2, Ashley. 1, 1, 1, 6. Excellent. All right, so got row 2 elements. Okay, we are now ready for the third row. Go ahead, Tristan, what are the elements?
9, 3, 1, 0.
Excellent. All right, so this is what we're going to type in our calculator. Now, this has the dimensions 3 by 4. It goes row by column. So 3 rows, 4 columns. All right, so we're ready to type that into our calculator. Our calculator is ready. It's waiting for us to type the dimensions. 3, enter. 4, enter. Do you
I'm
see
only
the,
getting 3.
you see the zeros pop up?
Yeah, but I only get 3 rows of zeros.
3 rows is what we want.
Okay. No, I'm saying 4, whatever you call them, but I got it now because I had to scroll over.
Yes, it only allows you to see the first 3 columns, doesn't it?
Right.
Excellent. All right, so let's go ahead and type in the first element. So 1, enter. And then we're going -1, enter, 1, enter, 4, enter. Got row 1? All right.
So how did you know that all these went in here or whatever?
Into what?
Like, you have like 1, -1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 6.
Okay, those came from the first equation.
Okay.
Got it? 1, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter, and 6. And then the last one, let's do 9, enter, 3, enter, 1, enter, and 0, enter. All right, you've got all your data in. Now, we need to get back to our home screen. So you're going to hit second mode, right, to get back home. So on your calculator, hit second mode. You're now back to your home screen.
I'm sorry, but I'm still a little confused on where you got all the numbers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There's like 12 numbers and I only saw like 3 equations.
That's right. Because we also use the constant term on the other side of the equal sign. Does that make sense? The 4?
Coefficients.
We did the coefficients of each variable, and then we also took the constant term that's on the other side of the equal sign.
The number in front of it.
Sorry I bore you, Elizabeth. Jeez.
Sorry. Just stretching.
All right.
What was
Colton?
the way you did it?
Got it, Colton?
Okay.
I think.
Okay.
I'm sorry, it's
Excellent. All right, so we're back. Everybody's at their home screen, right?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to go second matrix again. So once again, I want you to hit second x to the -1. This time, we're arrowing over to math. So arrow over to math. And then you're going to arrow down until you see the RREF command. And I think that's at letter B. You should see the REF, and then right below it RREF.
What's the difference?
The one that we want to use is the RREF.
Just kidding.
Okay?
Come some.
So
Calculator
hit
real quick. Wow.
enter. Cumulative sum. Cumulative sum. We'll look at that later. All right, so everybody's got the RREF command up.
Can you move the calculator please so I can see what?
She's confused.
All right,
No,
Laura,
I'm fine now.
you got it?
Yeah, I just was waiting for that.
All right. our A matrix. So, once again, we have to go back to the second x to the negative 1 and grab this A matrix. Just hit enter, and you should see the A appear in the parentheses. Are we all there?
No.
Okay. Did you get your RREF command?
Yeah.
Excellent. Second, x to the negative 1.
Okay.
Oh, pops right up. Enter. Oops, I don't want two of them, do I?
Nope.
I do not want to. I'm going to go back and hit it again. Enter. Second matrix. Enter. All right. So everybody's here?
Yes.
Let's hit enter now.
It says error.
You got an error message? Okay, I'll come look at yours in just a second. Everybody else, let's write the matrix that you see. You should see 1, 0, 0, negative 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, whoops, 1, 6. Okay, that is the matrix that you should see. Colton, it's possible your matrix, when you built it, your original matrix, you didn't build it correctly. So I'm going to, let me just see what you did. Here, give it. All right, so for everybody to see, let's see. Second row, second matrix.
Are you okay?
We're going to edit Colton's matrix. He should have had a 3 by 4. Whoops. 3 by 4. And negative 1. And, oh, you didn't type in your last column.
Oh.
You don't have 4. So, let's see what we did. This should be a 1, enter, enter, 1, enter, and then 6. 9, 3, 1, and the last one should be 0. Okay, now your matrix looks good, Colton. Are you with me?
Yeah.
All right. Now you should be able to type it. Give it a try. So you are back here. Second, x to the negative 1 math, arrow down to RREF. Grab your matrix A.
Okay, cool.
Got it? Fantastic. All right. Now, because we put our equations in A, B, C order, every single one of them, these are our answers. The A, the B, and the C. So you can tell yourself A equals negative 1, B equals 1, and C equals 6. Box it up, and you are done.
That's it?
That's it. You made your calculator do the hard work. Okay, so your homework
Okay.
will be
Homework, you.
on page 756. You're going to do number 73 through 76 all. And then remind yourself, you have a quiz over all of this stuff on Thursday. Thursday quiz. Okay, so if you haven't been doing your homework, you better start.
Did we get like what?
Because I will be
Go
back.
with it.
I will be back
yeah, because
Thursday.
we're actually like we're in the feature right now.
Yes, we
So
are.
you will be back in a week.
I will be back Thursday, and we will have a quiz over all of this.
I think
And
we
you
should
can
be
kind of
ready.